Well, in business, the Central Bank of Nigeria has projected that Nigeria's output growth rate would remain positive from 4.03% in the third quarter of 2021 to nearly 2.91% in the fourth quarter, implying a total growth of about 3.01% for 2021. The governor of the Apex Bank, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, made this known while giving his keynote address at the 56th CBN Annual Bankers Dinner, which held in Lagos. Adeshewa Odushoga has this package.
It's the 56th CBN Annual Bankers Dinner, and the 7th consecutive time the Governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, will be delivering a keynote address to the members, where, as a tradition, the CBN Governor highlights the state of the economy, challenges, and progress. It's also the first time members of the body and other stakeholders in the financial sector will be attending the conference physically since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, which disrupted the plans the previous year. While delivering his keynote address, the CBN governor highlighted some of the economic events that shaped the pandemic year and its impact on Nigeria's economy, which includes volatile crude oil market, deteriorating global financial conditions, global spike in food prices, amongst others.
In view of the complete stoppage of global economic activities, we witnessed the significant reduction in the demand for and price of crude oil, Nigeria's main source of foreign exchange receipts and fiscal revenue. Indeed, the price of crude oil fell by more than 70% at some point. We witnessed a fall in crude oil prices from a high of $68 a barrel in January of 2020 to as low as $24 per barrel in April 2020.
The CBN governor also notes that the financial inclusion in the country is still low, adding that 36% of adult Nigerians still do not have access to financial services, giving rise to the development of the e-Naira, which would help to improve financial inclusion using digital channels.
With the growing pace of digitalization globally, it is essential that we leverage digital channels in fulfilling this objective. Total transactions volumes using digital channels more than doubled between 2018 and 2020, as volumes rose from 1.3 billion to over 3.3 billion financial transactions in 2020.
Mr. Emefiele notes that the country's economic growth has returned to the pre-COVID levels due to the accommodative policy support provided by the monetary and fiscal authorities.
We took unprecedented measures to contain the effects of the pandemic on our economy, in addition to other efforts aimed at stimulating greater economic activity in key sectors of our economy.
In its economic outlook for 2022, the CBN boss says the real GDP is projected to remain robust and strengthened within the short term, adding that deliberate